Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, in the last video we have done some problem sum. So today we will do another problem sum. So number 4 is, in a small town there are 2185 women, 3565 men and 2094 children. What is the total population of the town? Means एक टाउन क्या होता है? छोटा कस्बा जैसे वहाँ पर 2185 women औरतें, 3565 men आदमी and 2094 children means बच्चे हैं. What is the total population of the town? टाउन के total population means जनसंख्या what is कितनी है? अब हम क्या करेंगे, तीनों को प्लस कर देंगे. So first we will start from the, we will put place value ones, tens, hundred, then thousand. So women are 2165. So we will start from the ones place. We will write 5 at the ones, 8 at the tens, 1 at the hundred and 2 at the thousand place. So now men are 3565. So we will start from the ones place. 5 is the ones place, 6 is the tens place, again 5 is the hundred place and 3 is the thousand place. Next, children. Children are 2094. So we will start from the ones place. We will write 4 at the ones place, 9 at the tens place, 0 at the hundred place and 2 at the thousand place. So we will put sign of the plus here and we will start from the ones place. You have to keep first number in your mind and then plus next number. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now plus 4, 10 plus 4 14. So 14 में हम लिखेंगे 4. We will write 4 at the ones place and 1 we will carry forward to the tens place. Now come on the tens place. First carry forward 1. Don't forget it. 8 plus 1 is the 9. Then plus 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 कितने होते हैं? 15. Now 15 plus 9, 24. So we will write 4 at the tens place and 2 at the hundred place. So we will start from the carry forward 2 number. 2 then plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Now come on the thousand place. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. So total population is 7844. So we will write answer. क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर होता है. तो हम क्या करें, व्हाट इज द टोटल पॉपुलेशन? तो पॉपुलेशन टोटल कितनी है? 7844 टोटल population of the town. Means औरतें, आदमी और बच्चे कुल मिला के कितना है? 7844. Problem number 5 is, Ramesh spent ₹3,840 to pay his daughter's monthly tuition fees, ₹1,142 on her books and ₹4,289 on monthly grocery. What amount did he spend in all? Means रमेश ने अपनी बेटी की मंथली ट्यूशन फीस पर उन्होंने खर्चा करते हैं 3,840 रुपीज़, उनके बुक्स पर करते हैं 1,142 रुपीज़ एंड मंथली ग्रॉसरी के लिए खर्चा करते हैं 4,289 रुपीज़. वॉट अमाउंट मीन्स कितना अमाउंट उन्होंने ही स्पेंड इन ऑल, सब ऑल में सबका मिलाकर ट्यूशन फीस, बुक्स का और ग्रॉसरी का उन्होंने कुल मिलाकर कितना खर्चा किया है, so उसके लिए हम करेंगे प्लस. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द प्लेस. वी विल राइट प्लेस वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड एंड थाउजेंड. So first of all, daughter's tuition fees. So we will write tuition fees 3,840. So we will start from the ones place. So we will write ones, 0 at the ones place, 4 at the tens place, 8 at the hundred place, and 3 at the thousand place. Next, books. 1,142 rupees. So 2 we will write at the ones place, 4 at the tens place, 1 at the hundred place, and 1 at the thousand place. Next, monthly grocery. ग्रॉसरी में उन्होंने खर्चा किया है 4,289 रुपीज. सो 9 is the ones place, 8 at the tens place, 2 at the hundred place, and 4 at the thousand place. So we will put sign of the plus and we will plus 10. Now we will start from the ones place. First of all, we can see here 0. So 0 plus 2. How many? 2. 2 plus 9 is equals 11. So we will write 1 at the ones place and 1 carry forward to the tens place. Next, 1 carry forward, then plus 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 you have to keep in your mind 5 and then plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Then 9 plus 8, 17. So we will write 7 at the tens place and 1 carry forward to the hundred place. Now come on the hundred place, 1 carry forward number and then plus 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Then plus 1, 10. Then 10 plus 2. You have to keep in your mind 10. Then plus 2. So it will become 12. So we will write 2 at the hundred place and 1 carry forward to the thousand place. Now 1 carry forward number plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 and 5 plus 4, 9. So उन्होंने कितना खर्चा किया? 9,271 रुपीज. So total answer में हम लिखेंगे what amount did he spend in all. So we will write answer 9,271 rupees he spent in all. Means ग्रोसरी पर, ट्यूशन फीस और बुक्स का उन्होंने कुल मिलाकर इतना 9,271 रुपीज खर्चा किया. So students, you have to practice rest of the problem sums in your notebook.